Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this PrimaDonna exclusive espresso machine, and we replaced the pump. And let's go ahead and make a shot. See if we get a nice shot of espresso. And I'm just going to mention a couple other things. We were able to test the hot chocolate maker, which we did in another video, and that worked well. And we were going to test this, and then I just realized that this piece on the left here is missing. I don't know if the customer has that or not at home. And the customer was able to send us the this spout here, which allows us to prime the machine. Unfortunately, the pump was what needed to be replaced, but that's fine. And what else? I just wasn't sure. I couldn't remember if this was something that the customer wanted to be addressed or not. You can see how this is bent here and broken, and then this is also this piece looks fine, but it doesn't fit in here right. So in order to fix that, we'd have to replace the entire top cover. So I'm not sure if that's something the customer wants to do, but just let me know if that's something you want, and or if you want me to see if we can order this little spout separately. You might have to order the whole thing, but we'll see. And what else? I think that's it. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.